How about the gentleman I have talked previously? He's not available?
He is only working on Wednesday and Friday. Hi.
Hi dear, nice to meet you. How are you going on?
Good, and you?
I'm also fine, thank you.
Okay, we have a big problem because we are making Facebook ads, but actually I think we didn't make the pixel right at the first time. So we have a few issues. So we would like to have someone that helps us to make a good pixel and then everything else too.
Okay, please send me your website URL. At first, I need to visit the website. Where are you from?
German.
Germany?
Yes. Here.
So it's your evening, right?
It's yes, 4 p.m.
4 p.m. afternoon. Yeah, in Bangladesh, it's our 8 p.m.
Okay, 8 p.m. Okay.
So now Google Ad conversion tracking is working, right? I was making a custom data layer code. Actually, now it is working perfectly. No problem. Already I know the business, I know the lead event, and I can set up it for the metapixel. But additionally, now we need to make a server side tracking for this, right? So for the server side tracking, we will need a step container.
Okay.
Server container. So I'm going to send you a link. You can visit and then open a profile.
Okay.
Yeah, in the message, I'm going to send you the step IO. Do you have any server container in the step IO?
I think no.
Okay, no problem. Please open this link in your computer. Can you share your screen? Then I can guide you to move ahead.
Yes.
How about the gentleman I have talked previously? He's not available?
He is only working on Wednesday and Friday.
Okay. Okay, now please let's the window is loading for the invitation, and I am in the Meta Business Suite of the Linvo.
Okay, and now you need also tag manager. You need what do you need there?
Administrative access.
Okay, let me see. Von wem?
Ja, wir kriegen wahrscheinlich jetzt Facebook. WhatsApp irgendwas.
Ja. Und zwar Admin speichern.
Das sind meine E-Mails.
Okay. Do you need an analytics too, or?
I think I have the analytics access.
Okay.
I am going to start working, and I will provide you update where I am.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great time.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Nice evening.